right, everyone, get to work.
Hey, what'd you get for your birthday? I got...
Hey, Wooly!
It's gotta be me. I mean, there's no reason there could be anybody else. I mean, really, why would anybody else vote for anybody but me? I mean, it's gotta be. I just know it's gonna...
Dora the Explorer.
Finally, Dora's dead.
Start the music. Alright, now I'm going to watch TV. Gavin! What is it, Jeffy? I made a video, I made a video of you pushing my daddy off a building. You mean Super Mario Logan Mario? Yes. Okay, let me see it. Alright, Super Mario Logan Mario. Time for you to get pushed off a building. And Jeffy, say goodbye to your daddy because I'm going to push him off the building. Yay! Push. He's dead. Wow, Jeffy. That's awesome.
Oi, Dora.
Meanwhile to Garfield. I wonder what's on TV. Garfield. Have you seen the new Ice Age movie? I can't find it anywhere. Oh yeah, I have it. So we can watch it. Why, thank you for doing something good for once and for all. And once and for... Work, messed up copy. Go back for a second and stop right there. Wow, Garfield. Thank you for doing something good for once. Or doing something good, productive for once. Alright, Garfield. Let's watch it. Alright, John. Here's the movie for ya.
We are not retreating until the Garfield came along. Our family made an honest living stealing Saga.
What happened to my movie that I just got from Target? Oh yeah, I forgot to tell you. I made Ice Age Collision Course on DVD in Garfield edition. Because you messed up. But you did something productive for once. I don't care, John. Just watch that movie. Meanwhile, to other sound effects.
We can't let it get out that the new boss accidentally made a baby. Our stock would plummet. Everything we built, my entire company will fall apart. Those parents can never find out.
Hunter?
Swear to God, if I have to give up!
Alright, Puffball. Let's change the channel to the Cook channel. I love it! Let's see what else is on. I'm warning you. One last time, Hunter.
Stop fighting!
How come you're faulting? Shut up, Hunter!